at Hyundai. We don't just build cars, we manufacture excellence. As a smart car manufacturer, we bring technology to the real world, offering customers quality time and a happy life. It is my pleasure to welcome you today to experience a superstar brand with a magnificent history of supremacy and admiration from customers in India and global market, making it a true icon. Namaste and Vanakkam. As you all know, i20 is a brand that marked the genesis of premium hatchback in India. It brought forth an iconic combination of advanced technology, superior drivability, exceptional comfort and convenience in an irresistible design philosophy. The immense success of the first three generations of i20 are a testament to Hyundai's prowess of manufacturing excellence at its state-of-the-art plant in Chennai, delivering meaningful value to our customers. Now you all will witness the origin of all-new i20 and see how Hyundai has created yet another revolutionary product that will redefine benchmark, bringing alive the sensuous sporty design inside and out. The all-new i20 exudes magnetism all the way. As we move forward, I wish you all good health. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.
Over the last 24 years, Hyundai has developed a rich manufacturing experience in India, bringing a global process to Indian shores. Our 540-acre plant is home to humans and machines that operate in perfect harmony. Here over the 650 fourth-generation robots and more than 14,000 employees work together, bringing cars to life. Right from the drawing stage, our skilled engineers have worked together with many R&D personnel from Hyundai Motor Company and Hyundai Made India to create this masterpiece of excellence. The genesis of manufacturing starts from the press shop. Here we create a beautiful transformation of curves and creases, thereby shaping metal into excellence by incorporating technologies such as a digital gauge to check the panel thinning distribution and 3D scanning of parts to analyze as well as strengthen the press panel parts, accuracy and precision. We ensure metals on your all-new i20 conform to supreme levels of quality and durability. Our global body build line features 100% welding automation with over 450 self-learning robots that takes care of welding and intricate manufacturing process. These machines help us in creating the superstructure of the all-new i20 that incorporates a combination of advanced high-strength steel and high-strength steel accounting for 66% of the body. Through this robust amalgamation of metals, we have achieved 13% increase in the average tensile strength of the all-new i20 over the previous generation model. The paint shop is where we enhance the vibrancy of the all-new i20, and by coating it with high throw power 7th generation electro deposition paint, we create a vivid and striking piece of art that also ensures safety from the rust. In our paint shop, a highly automated line features 72 robots including 23 selling robots and 49 painting robots that complete the painting process for the all-new i20, which, as you can see, is impeccable. To ensure the most supreme levels of quality and durability of the engines powering the all-new i20, we put them to the test at our in-house endurance labs, thus giving you the best ride on the road. To empower customers with the right choice of performance that suits their needs, we are producing a wide range of powertrains for the all-new i20, including petrol and diesel BS6 engines that get multiple transmission options.
Our long-term business partners ensure that various parts sourced from across the country are of the same world-class standard of quality and reliability. This helps all new i20 to be created with the greatest care so that our customers enjoy a lifetime driving experience with absolute peace of mind. With quality at the core of our organization function, the same is replicated for creating each part for all new i20 at our trusted vendor partners.
Bringing Hyundai's craftsmanship to life, our assembly lines convert robust metal shells into premium quality cars, just like the all-new i20. Here, 80% of the body parts are fixed. To guarantee the best quality standards, we employ electric tool tightening that offers over 700 dynamic joints per car and reconfirmation system for each line. To meet and exceed our customers' expectations of quality and performance, every Hyundai car undergoes a detailed and stringent quality inspection. Right from the stage of panel press to complete vehicle rollout, the all-new i20 undergoes over 500 checkpoints. We also conduct a 324-point check using Hyundai's integrated digital inspection system that will make sure the all-new i20 is set to offer a smooth and enthralling drive. From here, every all-new i20 that rolls out from our production line will undergo a dynamic road test that covers testing on 18 different drive surfaces for varying road conditions.
At Hyundai, we deliver smart cars for the smart Indian customer. This ideology is deeply rooted in each and every manufacturing process at our plant. And that's how we have ensured the all-new i20 is an edge ahead in every aspect for your driving pleasure and a happy life, bringing dynamism to you.